Hello everybody and welcome to our gameplay from the 2019 Airsoft Plantation World Domination Tournament. It was our third attempt, we've come last, we came second, so we're a little bit more hopeful this year. We knew the lay of the land, we knew what was going on, we played the rules a fair few times. Luckily enough we were joined by the B team. Got some excellent players in that team, so we were very confident. Same as the last 2 years, in the morning you collect as many ammo crates as possible. Once you've got a set amount, you then go after territory. Most territory at the end of the day wins, so let's see how the boys get on.
I haven't got range. You gotta go that way. I haven't got range on any of them. Let's fall back round to. Fall back round to. We've got guys down there as well.
Yeah, I know. One down.
Yeah, see ya. Got him.
Good shot.
He's down. There might be more though.
Probably.
I can't take these on my own, but you see the yellow crate is right at the bottom of all of them. It's at the bottom, so we've got to move all of them crates. We've got to move all of the crates to get to the bottom. Which is a bit hard. Lee, medic nation. Alright, let me go medic him. So do you want a medic him or medic him?
No. No. Let him fight. They can't get us, we're out of range. Just go in, all the way in. Huh?
We'll push right and flank him. Okay. There's still this one guy down here, I'll keep him off.
Where is Ben? There he is. Where's? I can't see nothing.
Contact!
Oh, he's not taking it. What the fuck? No, it's fire. He's forward and left slightly at the back of the pit.
Where is he, Matt? Like there?
I think he's gone, Is he gone, Napier? Yeah. Move in.
That was just me earlier. This sun is horrible.
I haven't been shot yet, I just went to shit.
Oh, lovely.
Right, they now hold that area.
Someone run in, someone run, drop their gun, have a quick run in there, have a look. Keith, give me a gun.
In there, what, for crate?
Yeah.
There's none in there.
No, in there, no?
Didn't push up far enough for the crates, they now hold that stash.
11 minutes to the next set of crates, let's get back to the first set then. We've got 10 minutes to get back to our first set, Keith.
Alright.
Through from you.
Should I give him a little spray?
Who's this? Is that a sniper with us?
Yeah, that guy's with us.
But I mean, he's got him for the bush, literally here.
It's Jordan.
Oh, Jordan!
What's your left? What's your left? What's your left?
Steph's got...
That's grenade!
Great!
Yeah, I think you're dead.
Ben, stay down. Hit!
Leg out. He's down. Oh, fuck. Right, boys. Lee. Down there, mate. Yeah, no, so if you go to the right there, you see where I come from?
Right over there, yeah?
Go straight over here, it branched off to the left. They're in there, that's where I just got shot. Fuck, that run killed me.
We've got a grenade.
Nice job, Lee.
Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it! Oh god, mate, we've gone, let's fucking hit him. Out the left. Out the left, gone. Fuck him off! Grenade! If we can grab a crate on the way though. Huh?
Go back to them, go back and help them out.
How many's still there?
There's one more. Lee's still there.
We're spreading them out so if we get hit they can't take them all at once.
Wait, that's it.
Blake used to be one.
Hello, cupcake.
Matt. Ben, down there! Can I attack you here?
No mate, we've got to fall back.
Oh wait, you're on your second life.
Yeah.
Got some spike in my shoe.
Ben, can you give Jordan some cover to get a sniper out?
Huh? Jordan's there.
What about coming across here, Jordan? Could you get a sight through? Quite confused where they are.
They're around that corner and there's two up there straight. It's Lee still at them.
Hit!
Contact! Hello. Contact left side! One's down. Hello, Jordan.
You can hear him.
Contact down the walkway. Contact. Who's got range?
I've got range. Not my left hand, though. Contact!
Where's that? Yeah, sniper. We got contact down the end of this walkway down here. What grip it? Yeah, it's just there's two big bushes in the way.
Hello, Ben.
Oh.
Half them. Oh, really?
Good shit. Okay, well they're going to be respawning each other, so I'm going to go get a grenade in there.
Get a grenade ready, I'm covering.
Fine.
What you said?
Well, no.
Grenade in or? Probably go in.
They're getting taken out from the back. I think that's ours, right?
Yeah, that was a friendly, I think, right?
Let's move up.
They're gonna get raised. Keep an eye on them. Keep an eye because they're falling back and getting raised. So they're gonna come down any minute. Maybe a grenade.
Sasquatch coming out.
Sasquatch behind.
Right, they're gonna go get raised down there.
End of the corridor. Someone fall back. From there, see him? Somebody, directly there, stop there. See him? Yeah, okay.
Can we get a sniper?
Jordan's there.
They're around this corner, I'm going to try to
Go for a grenade.
I'm going to smoke and then move up if I can.
Hit!
Alright, keep fire on that if you can.
Ceasefire!
Is that lunch? I've got one, Steve.
Was it smoke?
Oh, favourite colour. Pick that. Nice one, mate, lovely. Yeah, well done.
I can't see anyway. Sun's in my eyes.
I'm gonna come over to you.
Right, mate. Well, let's use this, let's use this. Do you remember where you were sitting, Nathan? Do you know roughly where your eyes on one?
2 pushes back, mate. You're on the far right hand corner of it.
We see?
Smoke's gone off.
Oh, you fucker.
What?
Smoke's going the wrong way.
Right,
Love it.
I'm going to draw some fire, alright?
So, I mean,
Follow him up then, follow him up. Well done, guys.
Get down.
One down. Blue rope.
they've been walking!
Hang it down. He's down.
Push up, push up, push up. Go, quicker, quicker.
Hey!
Hit! Oh!
Yeah, when you go around the front, you can see them. When you go around the side, you see them. They're actually in the middle on the table. Guys, why don't you just want to come around the back? You can see them on the table in the middle of the map, in their area.
Yeah, we know where they are.
Right, if you let them off here, then we'll go round.
You got one there, mate, well done. They've just set a grenade off, we've got Nathan coming from this way.
Yep, we'll dig in and dig in. Get one in here, one in the tyres. I'll go over here.
Well, are they pushing this way?
Yeah, you're trying to push out, aren't they?
Running! Mag out!
Run left to the bus!
With an AEG, that is pretty much a waste of money, wouldn't it? You know what I mean?
Well, surely the blue one goes around this tree, so they can't shoot me through this tree.
There you go. He's under the bus. Right at the corner of the bus.
Is he?
Yeah. Oh, I wish I had my Tipman.
Yeah.
I want the loudness.
There's another one on that tree over there.
Great!
That's all good. Fine.
We got one at the bait of the truck here.
We're just having some national talking with a friend.
The situation which is relevant to all of you, including the other team, alright, 2:30, clarification is you will take your flagpole with your flag and you place it in the other base next to the other team's flag. Alright, can you pass that back?
Send that back to our team,
Because if I have to leave here, then obviously I'll no doubt get a call
So
to come back. And
Our flag from our base, we can use
Right,
that
lads,
to
be
take on another
advised,
base.
Yeah. Come straight.
Ready?
Ready. Hit!
Crates are all in the middle of the base. They're all grouping up. Grenade or smoke. Just gas them out. Nice, Steph.
Yeah, move up with them. I'm going to see if I can get a smoke out somewhere. Which way do you want the smoke?
Bit there, and then we can use it to go round.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Right, you
Get over here.
keep me covered, keep me covered.
Nice one. They're pushing around. Ben, move, Ben, move.
They're coming back in.
I'll be back.
Shot!
I think you might set a tree on fire with that.
I'll go check, I hope not.
Right, it's clear. Right, it's fucking hit him then. Let's hit him, let's hit him, let's hit him. If you can find a hole, go through it.
I'll go across and do some fire.
Go on, mate. Eyes.
Go. Push up. Push up. Keep pushing. They're outside. Keep eyes on the door.
Sorry, mate.
Swansea, keep eyes on their door, they're coming back in.
Sasquatch up front. Hit. Wanker.
Did you hear that?
What's that, sorry?
I'm going to cut all the cable ties off the flagpoles.
Yeah.
To conquer another country.
Bring the flag through.
You've got to bring your whole flagpole
I definitely hit you guys.
and stab it in.
Yeah, happy with that, mate. Right, I've got no chance of getting fucking respawned here. Spot on, mate. Lovely shot.
So as it turns out, in the heat of battle, everybody forgot to change the memory cards, which means we don't get to see the victorious ending. So effectively what happened was they got into the French base, there was a little bit of a standoff, and then one decided to go one way, one decided to go the other way, and then there was a little bit of a knife in the back, literally from what I hear, and they managed to take France. From there they went on to dominate the field. It was almost towards the end of the day anyway from the footage that we saw, but they were crowned victorious. So 2019, the year of the Sasquatch. Again, a very big thank you to all of the B team that joined them, put in excellent shifts, everybody worked extremely hard. It was a hot day, but everybody put in maximum effort. So very well done, lads, very well done indeed.